Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Holly. Today I am going to be planning in my B6 inserts. These inserts are from Jesenia's Printables, and the kit I'm going to be using is this older kit from Virgo and Paper. Really cute. I think actually my planner friend Jen sent this to me a long time ago, so I'm excited to use this. Honestly, this is going to be like a very minimal, get the job done style plan with me since it's 10 o'clock on a Sunday night, and I just want to have this pretty much done for the week so that I can like actually plan in it, but I don't have a ton of time to like make it the most perfect spread ever. So this is like getting your plans done when you're just going to use whatever is sitting around you on the desk and you're not going to try and find the perfect sticker for everything. Plan with me. So let's dive in. So I started with the full box in the top left corner, but then I moved on to the to-do list, and I decided to do a similar layout to what I did last week because I loved that. I just really liked how it looked visually, and also was pretty functional. So I just put the rose-colored days little 3-heart checklist slightly above the bottom, so that such that I had like room for like one icon on the bottom, and then I used that space on the bottom kind of for like a reminder or a bill or a video or something. I am being very fussy with the placement of the to-do list. I was really struggling with that. I decided to use the odds and ends header instead of the to-do header because I liked the colors better. This kit had some really pretty colors. Obviously you guys know I love purple, but there are also some like darker purples and really bright greens, and I decided to try to avoid the really dark purple just to kind of keep it a little bit more springy, since I am using this in April, not like in March. Going through with these bow headers from Simply Watercolor Co. Again, the today headers were kind of like one of those deeper colors, so I just decided to bring in a little bit more foil up top, and I just thought that looked pretty simple. And then she had colorful date covers too, which you'll see in a little bit, so I thought that would look nice. And now I am just spacing out the full boxes. I very much struggled with the ordering, as you will probably see. I was just trying to get it perfect, even though I said in the beginning of this video that this was not going to be about perfection. Apparently I go into like, you know, focus planner mode and I can't help myself. I thought these doodles were so cute. Pretty positive that Virgo and Paper does all of her own hand-drawn designs, so I don't think you would see these anywhere else, which I think is really cool. And now I am just putting down some stuff on the weekend too, just to kind of have all the basics down. I'm doing the headers, and I don't remember, we'll have to see because I filmed this a while ago, if I ended up using... Oh yes, okay, so I am getting the heart of the to-do list there, so, and then I'm going to take the odds and ends headers again, and the final full boxes here. I really liked that one with the hexagon and the just kind of geometric and cool. A very different style of kit. I wasn't actually considering, at first I wasn't going to use foil, but then I decided, you know what, I kind of want to do it. I think it ended up looking really cool. And now on the bottom of the first half of the week here, I am using this Simply Gilded washi. This is the Lavender 2.0 skinny bows, and they just look so pretty down there. I love the purple. And then I'm bringing it into the sidebar a little just to have, to kind of tie it in a little bit better. And I'm taking a habit tracker, my meta habit tracker for my habits, although admittedly I have not gotten my stuff set up for April, guys. It really screwed me up being away like the weekend before this because I was just like, so yeah. And then I am taking a weekly list and some washi, and I had a little bit of extra space, so I'm just trimming down the washi to fit that. I love that little cactus print. I think it's so cute. And I use that list for dinner. Sorry you guys are seeing like a lot of my upper arm. I don't know what the angle was of this video such that there is some funky arm stuff, more so than normal, right guys? Let's hope. Hopefully you don't see that much normally. Anyway, on to the date covers. I am taking my Rose Colored Days transparent date dots. Love those. On top of her date covers. Looked really cute. Yeah, they like fit perfectly in that little number, and I even feel like the fonts kind of match, which is always nice. And I am getting started on Monday. On Monday I had planned to go for a run, so I grabbed a half box there from the kit. And then also grabbed a little sneaker and workout sticker from my collab with Simply Watercolor Co. I also took a little bill due script from Simply Watercolor Co. at the bottom and used the house icon from the kit to indicate that I needed to send money for the mortgage to my husband. Next, I wanted to mark down that I had something for a busy work day, and so I thought it'd be kind of cute to use one of these little springy Hello Petite paper. So I just wrote down Coffee Monday. I ended up not really loving that because Coffee Monday kind of just means that you're going to go get coffee to me, but I was trying to use like a coffee cup or something like that to signify like, oh, it's a busy work day. Anyway, and then on Tuesday, I was working from home, so I took a little icon from Planning World on top of an appointment label, and then we had a vet appointment for Sarita, so I took that vet appointment sticker from Simply Watercolor Co. to mark down the time, and then I'm switching it out, the label, just so I didn't have too much purple on that day. Then I took my Fox and Pip custom on top of a half box to note down going to an Elevate class, and then at the bottom of the day, I wanted to note down that I wanted to upload a video, so I took a heart from Clever Gal Crafts, her little, like that green color. I feel like I can never use that, so I was really happy to use that. And then I also had a bill due, so I just put that in the to-do list, like with a little $sign. Then on Wednesday, I took a little today header. Honestly, I forget what I was using that for. I just thought those were really cute, the hexagons. And then that night I was supposed to go out to dinner with a friend. Her flight ended up getting canceled, so my whole week plans were wrong. But anyways, on Thursday I was using an asterisk from Planning World and a little dumbbell icon from Planning World to mark down that my friend was here, and then a workout. And then I also took a little bill due sticker from Simply Watercolor Co. at the bottom. And then on Friday, I wanted to take a movie marquee to mark down going to see my friend in a musical. That movie marquee is from Rose Colored Days. I just thought that was kind of like a cute special way to do it. And then it was payday, so I'm taking a piece of washi with a little payday flag from Simply Watercolor Co. On top. And I'm going to flip back in a second because I've started to realize that I go so fast in these. I thought I did. Maybe I lied. Anyway, on Saturday, I'm going to go to Elevate class in the morning, so I took a little Fox and Pip girl to mark that down. And then we're also going to go to get groceries. So I'm taking a little purple icon that's foiled from Planning World, and trying to cut down a little shorter flag out of a piece of just kind of plain washi from the kit. I just thought that looked kind of cute, but I could not cut like a good flag for the life of me. So we're just going to have to cope with what we got. And that was pretty much it for Saturday. It's going to be a lazy day after a busy week. Although, again, my plans kind of changed because I'm meeting up with a friend now for breakfast. Anyway, on Sunday, I want to work out, probably go to a yoga class. So I took that little icon from Simply Watercolor Co. And then I wanted to plan. So I took that really cute little planner from Hello Petite Paper and also upload a video. So I took another Clever Gal Crafts heart, and a little laundry sticker back on Saturday from Planning World. And then I am also grabbing just a little meal icon from the kit layered over the appointment label there to note down that I wanted to do some meal prep on Sunday. And then at the bottom, I am continuing the bottom washi. I had put it on the right side of the page, so I have an extra strip, obviously, because it's intended for the Erin Condren. So I'm just kind of like continuing the look because I just thought that would look nice, and fill up some of that space. I never really used that notes section. And I'm putting in the hydrate sticker that comes with the Virgo and Paper kit, but honestly, I didn't really use it, but it was kind of nice to have, so that's okay. And then I wanted to just fill in that space with a little bit of washi, so I grabbed the little purple washi from Simply Gilded once again. Did I say earlier that was from Simply Watercolor Co? Simply Gilded, you guys all know. And now I'm taking these kind of cute little hexagons that she includes. I just thought they were like cute little kind of ways to add color to that other side of the page, and I'm taking lots of deco from the kit. I love all these cacti deco. They are making me so happy. The favor at the wedding we went to last weekend was tiny little air plants, and a lot of other people at our table didn't want them, so I have a bunch of air plants, so I need to get another terrarium and do that. So the succulent theme here is very appropriate. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to see more. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.